Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, I'm going to show you the testimonial of a woman who made $2 million with Digital Wealth Academy. Yes, you heard that right. $2 million over the span of 2 years. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified the next time I post. If you spend any time in the internet marketing or digital business space, you've probably already heard of Digital Wealth Academy. DWA has been around for 3 years now and is one of the largest communities on the school platform, with over 137,000 members as of this video. The course is priced at $497, with 2 ways to earn. The affiliate program, where you earn about 90% commission per sale, or master resale rights, where you keep the full $497 on every sale you make. Let me log into the dashboard and show you a few of the results members are getting. Aishwarya made $3,600 in just 3 days. She said starting with DWA was the best decision she made after losing her job. Mona made $72,000 in 5 months. In her words, "I used to be the daughter who had to borrow money from my mom, my brother, my sister, just to get by. And today, I'm the one who could finally help my mom." Sandy just crossed the $2 million milestone in under 2 years. She said, "Out of that, $1.5 million came directly from DWA, and $500,000 came from building my own offers with the skills I learned here. The craziest part? I'm still introverted. I don't love being on camera, I don't have the loudest personality, but I've learned how to make it work for me. That's the beauty of this business. You don't have to change who you are, you just have to stay consistent and keep showing up." And there are plenty more stories like this. This platform has been running strong for 3 years. It's not one of those programs that disappears after a few months. You'll find more testimonials linked in my Telegram group below this video. When you sign up, you get a done-for-you website with all the bonuses already built in. Your job is simply to promote the opportunity on social media, and the training walks you through exactly how to do that. Plus, you'll have an entire community ready to help if you ever get stuck. So what exactly is DWA? It's a digital marketing course that teaches the skills you need to build and grow an online business. You can see the full list of modules linked below this video. One thing that makes this program especially powerful: it's been translated into multiple languages, including Spanish, German, Italian, and French, which means you can promote it to a global audience. Here's why I think this program works so well. It's far easier to promote a product that's already selling than to build a brand new one from scratch. This is essentially a business in a box. Follow the blueprint they teach, stay consistent, and you're set up to succeed. Creating your own course from scratch takes serious time, money, and effort. Building content, crafting an offer, growing an audience, earning trust, collecting testimonials, testing your sales process. That can take months, sometimes years. With DWA, you skip all of that. You get ready-made courses, an established community, proven testimonials, and a product people are already buying. Your only job is to drive traffic and convert it into sales. When you join through my link, here's what you'll also get. My exact sales funnel, different from what most people are running, and it's been converting extremely well for me. My email follow-up sequences, so leads get nurtured automatically the moment they opt in. And my personal training on how I use Facebook ads and AI to generate consistent results with this opportunity. Altogether, these bonuses are valued at $1,932, and you get them free when you join today. Even better, you can pass these same bonuses on to anyone who joins through you, which is a big part of why this offer converts so well. If you're ready to get started, click the link below this video for instant access to Digital Wealth Academy. I've also linked all the Telegram testimonials below. Go check them out.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.